What I have got going for you today is brisket tacos. The best brisket tacos you've ever had with a twist, a Brazilian twist, y'all. I'm gonna put a vinaigrette, which is tomatoes, onions, green scallions, cilantro, and a little bit of olive oil. And if you want to know how to make that, comment down below. Let me know, and I will make that for you. And then put that on a tortilla, and then slice up the brisket flat that we've got going on here right now on my PBC. I love my PBC. Have not used her in a long time. And she's got wheels. She's got legs, folks, but she ain't walking away from me, if you know what I'm saying. So without further ado, let's get at it. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Please, I love you. Subscribe, it's free, and let's get to it. What's up, Red's YouTube Mafia? How y'all doing? This is Red coming live on a Monday, just before a Taco Tuesday. And when you get a call from the Dogfather's Barbecue, you answer. So I was like, "Yellow?" And he's like, "YOLO." I'm like, "YOLO, what you got, bro?" And he's like, "Yo, Howley, UFOB, man, you fresh off the boat. I want to do a collab." I'm like, "Okay, cool, chill. What kind of collab you want to do? Ribs, brisket, pulled pork?" He's like, "No, dog, tacos." I said, "What you know about tacos, man?" He's like, "Everything." I said, "Everything?" He said, "Everything." And I'm like, "Okay, best me acuerdo, she'll love me in the morning." So that's what you do, guys. That's how we roll. We're doing tacos today, me and the Dogfather's Barbecue. And please, I'm gonna leave the link right up here for that cat. And Alton is the best thing going right now in Texas. He is hot. He's hot. He's Texas hot. He is in Texas and he's hot. And you know what? I wouldn't kick him out of bed unless I was gonna do him on the floor. Yeah. Drop the mic. So, with that, guys, go check him out. Subscribe to him. While you're at it, click on that little subscribe button right here, and smash that like, because it's good to like. And let's continue this journey of love, family, passion, and barbecue, y'all. And you may be wondering why I smothered, basically put my wood chunks underneath all the other different pieces of charcoal, because as this burns through, I don't want the wood to catch fire. I want the wood to smolder, producing that really good smoke for my brisket. And I'm doing a brisket flat today, guys, not an entire packer. So completely different from what I used to be doing all the time. I just want the flat, and I just want some tacos now, really bad. I'll let you guys know how long this takes me, so stay tuned. I've got about 12 chunks of charcoal cooking up in my little chimney right now. Once it gets nice and hot, I'm gonna transfer them over to the space that I left over in the basket, and then get the meat on and get to going. Don't forget to always put your reinforced bars back on your pit barrel cooker. That helps control the airflow and the temperature and keep it a good cook. Time to go night-night, guys. Good night. What's up, yoo-hoos? How you doing? It's been 1 hour. I'm gonna uncork this to put this little ThermoWorks smoke probe in to let me know what I've got going on for temperatures, because I'm about to take off for the next 30 minutes. I wanna make sure that I monitor the correct temps in here and get the meat perfect for you guys. Alton, I love you, my buddy. Hey man, thank you for doing this collaboration with me. I truly appreciate the love and the support, and I love watching the growth that you're currently going under. Your big things for you, man. Big things from Mr. Alton, the dog father of barbecue, baby. DAWG. Don't forget, go check him out. Click that subscribe button on my account as well, and let's do it. You can see we have a ways to go, and that's exactly what I wanted to see. So cheers to you guys. Have a great day. We'll check back in with you in the next couple of hours. Peace out. So we're here chilling at 2 hours and 45 minutes. Let's take a quick turkey peek with this bad boy right here. And this is the only instant read thermometer you will ever need to buy. Link is down below. Show more description. Oh, little reminder. Did you go check out Alton? How about me? Subscribe, yo. Let's do it. Looks like we're really good to go on the majority of it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of beef broth, wrap it up in some aluminum foil, and just let it hang out now, guys. Let's get to it. So thanks for joining me on today's cook on how to do some brisket tacos. Now that we've done the cook on the pit barrel cooker, it was exactly 2 hours and 45 minutes on my PBC. It's been sitting for about 3 hours now. It's ready to cut. Let's get the kids fed, get them their tacos, and I'm gonna do one and probably put some of the basics on it just so I can get that flavor down, because this could be a menu item for Red's Barbecue. Make sure you go check out the Dog Father's Barbecue, my boy Alton. Again, please tell him what's up for me. Thank you, Alton, for including me on this collaboration of Taco Tuesday. Without further delay, let's get to it. Cut this brisket open, the brisket flat, seasoned with salt and pepper only, and let's get to the experimentation phase, guys. Peace. All right, guys, first things first, let's give this a taste. There you go. It's good brisket. It's not the same brisket as if I were to cook it on my offset Yoder. That's a fact. The flavor that I'm getting with this is more of a, so that charcoal is really doing its job of giving it that grill flavor, even though the wood chunks are in there. It's a solid piece of brisket. No doubt, it's good. But my Yoder would be better. I just didn't have the time. Let's get to assembling this and see what our flavors look like. Let's do it. All right, this is messy, so I'm gonna get this stuff out of the way. Bon appetit, guys. Alton, this bite is for you. Mmm. I love it. Super good. Guys, you guys need to try this brisket taco with a Brazilian flair. And again, if you want to know how to make this Brazilian vinaigrette, comment down below. Make this right away. It's so, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and start making the kids and the rest of the family their tacos. And I hope you enjoy your Taco Tuesday. You guys be good. Remember, life is about love, family, passion, and barbecue. And let's get at it, y'all. Cheers. Mmm.